look at that. Would you just look at that?
Now we're getting clear coat protectant.
I can't stop looking at it.
We're getting clear coat protectant now.
Sounds like an alien ship flew over us.
Ain't this better than the heavy old brushes getting in the barn?
Yeah, because they kind of hurt.
Now we're going to have spot-free wrench. We're going to get a spot-free wrench. I don't know why it never wants to get that spot down there, Joe. See it? The bottom?
I guess it's not reaching.
This will look like a new car.
It is a new car.
I know, but it'll look brand new now. It's dirty. Dirty, scruffy.
I think when we get finished, we should just pull up here and we all get out and just look at it.
Laser. Now we're going to have the laser dry. Here we're going to take off.
A little windy. You need a pill?
Bubbles are going up the window. They're going up.
Turn your defroster on, Mom.
Wait a minute.
Yep, see, it's clearing off your window.
I think we should eat first.
What do you mean?
Are you getting your hair cut?
I'm going to eat first. I'm hungry. Are you hungry?
Well, then we'll eat first.
What, Mom?
We can eat first.
That was so much fun.
We're not going to do the windows, Joe.
Nah.
All right, Joe.
Okay.
It's too windy out.
They'll get dry anyhow.
Yeah, it's too windy. We usually wipe the outside of the windows off, but it's too windy out today.
Let's go through it again.
I wanted to go through just to see Mom trying to reach the buttons again.
Oh.
I wish I'd have had that on video camera.
I wasn't pulled up far enough, I don't think. Well, Joe had